You know why we started Kalyani? Swami Vivekananda felt that women have the entire ability to solve their own problems. They just need to be given an opportunity to do so. You see, so many years ago, 130 years ago, he believed so much in women. And over the years, we have proved him right. Women have done so well in our country, right? And yet, somewhere there seems to be a lack of self-belief in many women. More so in the women who have chosen to work for the homemakers. For some reason, after a few years, when the children grow up a little, they suddenly start feeling a sense of doubt about how productive they are, about how worthy they are. And we felt in the Vivekananda Institute of Values that it is time to create a forum for women to come forward and support each other in making their dreams come alive. So we tried something, and you'll be surprised that the way in which women responded to the whole thing. It was so heartening that we tried to continue with the program.
Namaskar, I'm Arpita Sood. Kalyani workshops frankly introduced me to so many concepts and ideas that were new to me. Firstly, we learned about that nature is a combination of gunas, and we all are a combination of these gunas. But our classes or workshops weren't really about intellectually understanding anything. It was more about how we could practically understand ourselves, and from then on try to transcend and move to awaken our deeper potentials, and with all the self-belief find good clarity about our purpose in life.
Namaskar, I am Chandrika. Kalyani workshop has helped me deal with situations, people, conflicts, and most importantly myself in a much better way. Ideas like self-worth, self-belief has helped me realize the immense potential I carry within myself. Self-talk has helped me introspect, accept, and respond to situations effectively. I strongly believe that Kalyani is an essential initiative for discussing issues which relate to women and thereby developing their self-confidence and moving ahead with positivity.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिल्पी शर्मा है। मैंने यहाँ पर कल्याणी वर्कशाला के सभी सेशंस अटेंड किए। हर एक सेशन अटेंड करने के बाद में मैं स्वयं में आए परिवर्तन को स्पष्ट रूप से अनुभव कर पा रही थी। जब पहला सेशन हुआ सेल्फ वर्थ का, तो हमें खुद को समझने का मौका मिला, और जब हम खुद को समझ पाते हैं तो अपने विचारों को व्यवस्थित रूप से रख पाते हैं। अपने विचारों को व्यवस्थित रूप से रखने से आत्मश्रद्धा और आज सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इतना इंक्रीज हुआ कि उसके बाद में हम निर्णय लेने की जो क्षमता है वो बहुत बढ़ गई। अब मैं हर चीज़ में पहले से जल्दी और ज़्यादा निर्णय ले पाती हूँ, और पूरे विश्वास के साथ में। कल्याणी सेशंस मेरे लिए जीवन परिवर्तन कार्यशाला के रूप में साबित हुआ है, और मैं कल्याणी का अर्थ समझ पाई हूँ कि जो स्वयं का कल्याण करे और अपने आसपास में अपने समाज, अपने परिवार और समाज, अपने देश का भी कल्याण करे। मैं कल्याणी वर्कशाला की हृदय से आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।
I believe Kalyani was a great initiative. In fact, it created this safe space for all of us to learn together. What do you think?
I completely agree with you. I also found that the participants were, although they were from different age groups, we all were in the same boat. And resolutions came from within ourselves. What do you think? आप क्या समझते हो?
मुझे लगता है कि इस तरह की कार्यशालाएं, वर्कशॉप समय समय पर होती रहनी चाहिए, जिससे कि हमारी बाकी सब महिलाएं भी, बहनें भी उसका लाभ उठा सकें और वो अपने जीवन को और उत्कृष्ट बना सकें।